Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Teachable API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Teachable API key anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business setting up automations, you know that sometimes it calls for a Teachable API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to get an API key for your Teachable, you're going to click on this settings button here on the left. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button here, API keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the API keys you might have already set up. You can see I just have this one right here. So if you have already set up the API key and you're just looking for the key itself, you can click right here, View Key, next to the name that you gave it. However, if you want to create a new API key, click on Create API Key. Okay, next you want to go ahead and name your key. Usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it the name of the website that I'm connecting the API to. So we'll do lake.com, and then I'll click on Create. Okay, next it's going to show the API key right here, and you can easily just copy text. Right now it's copied to my clipboard, and let me close this down. Okay, now the API key is on my clipboard, so I can go ahead and paste it into the automation software or website that's calling for it. Also, I named it this right here. That way I can easily reference what this API key was for. And sometimes I'll even add in an extra set of data right here, and that way I can reference it depending on clients, dates, projects that I'm working on. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Teachable API key, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.